One Honda CR-V has 1,000,000 miles on the odometer. 1,000,000. No engine rebuild. The owner just changed the oil every month and kept driving. I've been turning wrenches for over 22 years. I've seen thousands of cars come through my shop. Most people shopping for a used SUV under $10,000 have no idea which 3 vehicles have the data to back up that kind of longevity, and which popular names absolutely do not. I'm going to show you the 3 SUVs that can realistically hit 300,000 miles, what they'll cost you to maintain, and the specific years you need to avoid. Number 1 on this list has a 32.9% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's nearly 7 times the industry average. 3 SUVs. Real numbers. Let's get into it. Stay with me through number 2. That one surprises most people, and I'll show you how to get it for under $5,000 in great condition. And stick around for the maintenance number that separates the owners who make 300,000 miles from the ones who don't. Entry number 3, Honda CR-V. Most people looking for a used SUV under 10 grand never think to put the Honda CR-V on the list. It's a crossover. It's not a truck. But RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, the highest score of any vehicle in this entire comparison, and its average annual repair cost is just $407. That beats the 4Runner by over $100 a year. Beats the compact SUV category average of $521 by more than $100. A couple named Joel and Susan Cram drove their 2007 Honda CR-V to 1,000,000 miles. That's a documented fact, covered by iSeeCars. No engine rebuild. Monthly oil changes. Another owner put 300,000 miles on a 2014 CR-V in 5.5 years. His only unscheduled repairs past 180,000 miles were a belt tensioner and an alternator. Now, there is one generation you need to be careful with. The 2017 and 2018 models with the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine had a documented oil dilution problem in cold climates. Fuel would mix with the oil, raising the level abnormally. Honda issued a software update and extended the warranty. By the 2019 model year, it was largely resolved. If you're buying a 2017 or 2018 CR-V, verify the TSB update was performed. Your target years, 2007 through 2014. That's the 3rd and 4th generation. Clean 2007 to 2011 examples are routinely available under $7,000. Change the oil every 5,000 miles with full synthetic. Drain and refill the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Honda calls it lifetime fluid, but owners who hit 300K don't treat it that way. Budget $407 a year and you'll own one of the most reliable vehicles on the road. That's the affordable pick. This next one surprises every person I've ever told about it. Most people see the badge and assume it's expensive to maintain. They're wrong. Entry number 2, Lexus GX 470. The Lexus GX 470, built from 2003 through 2009, runs the same 4.7-liter V8 that Toyota put in the Tundra. That engine has been documented at over 400,000 miles in platform siblings. Consumer Reports named the 2022 GX 460 the most reliable vehicle they tested, a perfect score. J.D. Power gave Lexus the number 1 spot in its 2025 vehicle dependability study. Average annual maintenance cost per RepairPal, $591. And only a 9% chance of a severe repair in any given year. A single-owner 2004 GX 470 was documented on Club Lexus at 313,000 miles, purchased for just $3,800. Still on the original engine and transmission. Total repairs over 2.5 additional years of driving after purchase. Timing belt, water pump, radiator, power steering pump, alternator, brakes. Normal wear items. Now here's the one thing you absolutely cannot skip on this truck. The 4.7-liter engine is an interference engine with a timing belt. When that belt snaps, the engine is destroyed. Toyota and Lexus specify replacement every 90,000 miles or 10 years. The job runs $1,000 to $1,700, including the water pump at an independent shop. Skip it and you're looking at an engine replacement that costs more than you paid for the truck. The second thing to watch, the rear air suspension. It leaks, the compressor fails, usually somewhere around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. OEM replacement is around $4,000. But there's a permanent coilover conversion kit for roughly $700 that eliminates the problem entirely. Most knowledgeable GX owners do the conversion and never think about it again. If this kind of straight talk shop data is useful to you, hit subscribe. I've got more of this coming. Year to avoid, 2003. That's the first year of this generation and it has the highest complaint count. Documented drivetrain clunking around 77,000 miles, costing up to $4,000 to repair. Best years, 2007, 2008, and 2009. Those models are available between $5,000 and $9,000 with full service history on them. That was the surprise pick. Number 1? This is the one with the statistical data that nobody can argue with. Entry number 1, Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner. iSeeCars analyzed nearly 400 million vehicle listings. The 4Runner came in at number 2 among all SUVs, a 32.9% probability of reaching 250,000 miles. The industry average is 4.8%. That means a 4Runner is nearly 7 times more likely to reach 250,000 miles than the average vehicle on the road. RepairPal rates it 4.0 out of 5.0. Average annual repair cost, $514. On Toyota Nation, an owner of a 2014 4Runner Trail documented 311,000 miles and calculated his total cost, including everything, at 18 cents per mile excluding fuel. A 1995 4Runner with 460,000 miles was documented still driving. But I have to tell you something the Toyota badge hides, because I've seen this destroy perfectly good trucks. Frame rust. The third and fourth generation, that's 1996 through 2009, trap moisture in the frame rails. NHTSA opened an investigation in 2018 covering over 520,000 units. A class action lawsuit was filed against Toyota in 2018 specifically for 2003 through 2009 models after a steering control arm separated from a rusted frame while the owner was driving. If you're buying a 4Runner under $10,000, you're getting a third or fourth generation truck. That's all that's available in this price range. 5th gen models from 2010 onward still hold their value too well. So you need to do one thing before you hand over $1. Get under that truck and inspect the frame. Look for rust that goes beyond surface oxidation, soft spots, holes, flaking. If the frame is compromised, walk away. If it's solid and from a dry climate state, you have a truck that can run another 150,000 miles with basic maintenance. Best years under 10,000, 1999 through 2002 with a 3.4-liter V6 from a non-Rust Belt state. Or 2008 to 2009 late 4th gen, which had far fewer complaints than early 2003 to 2005 models. Change the oil every 5,000 miles. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Grease the drive shaft slip yoke. Budget $514 a year and you own a truck that statistically runs circles around everything else in this price range. Here's the mechanic math. $514 a year in maintenance times 20 years is about $10,000 total. A used 4Runner costs you $7,000 to $9,000. That's roughly $20,000 all in to own a truck for 2 decades and 300,000 miles. The industry average vehicle costs you that in repairs alone. 3 SUVs. Real data. The Honda CR-V at $407 a year with a million-mile example on record. The Lexus GX 470 with Land Cruiser DNA for under $9,000. Just don't skip the timing belt. And the Toyota 4Runner, the most statistically proven SUV for longevity you can buy under $10,000 today, as long as you check that frame. If you know someone shopping for a used SUV right now, send them this video. You might just save them from a $4,000 mistake. Now, if you want to know which used SUVs to absolutely avoid in this price range, the ones I turn away from my own shop, that video is on your screen right now. Watch that next. That's 20 years of experience talking. Like and subscribe if this helped you make a better decision, and I'll see you in the next one.